How to make a good Pokemon TCG pocket deck. So first up, what I like to do is to go into Google and search for best TCG pocket decks, as I have done here. There are many websites here such as game8.co, Pokemon Zone, and Games Radar that will give you plenty of information on which decks are performing the best. But I like to use Game 8 as it gives you the best decks to use whenever new packs arrive. So as you can see here, the newest set of packs is the Eevee Grove deck, and these are the best decks to use when it comes to the most recent decks, and they'll give you variants of that, and you can look this one up. For example, you can see their strengths and weaknesses here of this Flareon and Leafeon deck. You can also click on this deck here, and they will give you a complete list of cards to be included in your 20 card deck set, and they will also guide you as to how to use this deck. Now, one of the cards that has so far been a pain to face is the electric version of Pom Pom Oricorio, as you can see here. Now, this card has been crucial into reorganizing your deck so that it doesn't just heavily rely on X Pokemon to win games. And keeping that in mind, a lot of the decks in Game 8 also caters this Pokemon right now. They also give meta decks. So you can scroll to the bottom here. It will show you the different variants of the top decks in the meta, like Sylveon Greninja, Shining Reverie Charizard, and the undisputed Giratina X and Darkrai X. Now this is one of my favorite decks. And of course, to get these cards, you have to open your packs frequently, spend your hourglasses wisely, and also have a little bit of luck on your side. And don't forget to also use Wonder Picks whenever you don't have the luck of pulling them in your pack openings. And that is how you build a good deck in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Thanks for watching.